Today I'm cooking a simple spinach soup for dinner. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of baby spinach, washed, cleaned, and soaked in water for an hour. This is what the baby spinach look like. They are young, short, and the stems are really thin and easy to break. 3 tablespoons of crispy fried anchovies, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, 1 tablespoon of goji berries, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1.5 liters of water. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the See More link. Start with boiling the soup. In the pan, add 1.5 liters of water. Add in all salt, pepper, sesame oil, and all of the oyster sauce. Stir and mix. Cover the pan and bring it to boil. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Stir to ensure the seasoning and soup are well combined. Next, add in all of the spinach and give it a stir. Add in the washed goji berry. Cover the pan and cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup has come to a boil again. The spinach is cooked and slightly soft. Add in the crispy fried anchovies. Leave just a bit for garnishing. Stir and mix. Give it a taste. Wow, delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it is already tasty. Switch off the heat and the simple spinach soup with anchovy is done. This soup is best served immediately once it is cooked. While the soup is still hot, let's dish out and serve. Sprinkle crispy fried anchovies and the fried shallots. Let's eat! Oh wow! The soup is very tasty and flavorful. Spinach is soft and very tender. The anchovies are crispy with a little hints of saltiness. It blends so well with the spinach and the soup. It is delicious and very simple to cook. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!